Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a unique fruit that's gaining popularity in the health community, dragon fruit. Dragon fruit is native to Central and South America, but is now grown in tropical regions all over the world. Dragon fruit is not only delicious and healthy, but contains many medicinal properties. So, let's dive into the top health benefits of dragon fruit. First up, did you know that dragon fruit is a superhero when it comes to boosting your immune system? Yup, just one dragon fruit can provide up to 50% of your daily recommended intake of vitamin C, which is crucial for a strong immune system. Also, did you know that dragon fruit is good for heart health? It's loaded with flavonoids, which are a type of antioxidant that can reduce the risk of heart disease. Plus, the fiber in dragon fruit can help lower cholesterol levels and keep your heart healthy. Now, let's talk about its digestive powers. Dragon fruit is full of prebiotics, which are important for the growth of beneficial bacteria in your gut, and its high fiber help prevent constipation and keep your gut healthy. But wait! Did you know that dragon fruit has a low glycemic index? Yeah! That means it won't cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. And, for those with diabetes, or at risk of developing it, dragon fruit can be a helpful addition to their diet. It also contains polyphenols, which can improve insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. Last, but not least, let's talk about how dragon fruit can help you look and feel your best. It's packed with antioxidants that can protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Plus, it's rich in vitamin E, which is important for healthy skin, and can reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So there you have it, the incredible health benefits of dragon fruit. Whether you're looking to boost your immunity, improve your digestion, or lower your cholesterol, this unique fruit is definitely worth adding to your diet. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.